6 in the morning or thereabouts. So just had a lovely little sunrise, and we've got new neighbours. Weirdo stuff. Anyway, let's get going. Pretty sure that's the Bowls Club. Anyway, the information centre's just over here. It's actually quite good if you want to go in there. It's not always open. And we're just going to have a quick little snapshot of, yeah, it is the Bowls Club. Oh, iron knob. Stuff everywhere. And that's where we'll have our snow. And it's goodbye from Iron Knob. So it's off to Kimba for breakfast and a shower and everything else.
You get another one.
5 kilometres out of Kimba. Well, apparently there's a big galah. Kimba welcomes us, so we need to go and find the big galah.
Oh.
Where are you going?
No.
Big truck behind us. Oh, 2 big trucks behind us. So we've got silo art, free camping areas. Where's the big galah?
Oh, we're gonna.
It's all very neat, tidy. Oh, we haven't found the big galah yet, so we're going to park, go for a walk up down the town centre, and then we'll look at the big galah later. Here we are, we're in Kimba. I'm just going to go for a walk. There's your hardware store. And roundabout. Lots of pub. Another bottle shop. Nice gum tree. What do you think, Annabelle? There you go, 3 bedrooms, Besser blocks, 40. Buy some land, 25,000. So, going to check out all the op shops wherever we go. They're good ones, the ones in the little communities. A nice neat op shop, but there was no prices and anything, so don't know, maybe we'll just make them up as they go along. But it was very neat, very clean, very tidy. Haven't found the big galah. I think it might be the last thing we do, so we're heading off to the campground, which has got apparently brand new showers and toilets and everything else, and it's donation. It's very good. We're not going to stay the night, we're just going to go and cook breakfast. Hopefully there's electric barbecues or something. It's like a school. The areas. It's a bit breezy today, the bins are getting blown over. So, a few vans. It's like a caravan park, isn't it? Can we just go in for half an hour? Let's go find out. Toilets, showers. Last time we were here it wasn't like this. Yes. Apparently we sat under that tree and had a beer last time we were here. I remember that. I think we should just stop here. Check it out. Where's the camp kitchen? That's over there.
$1 for 2 minutes.
Oh, you got $1? I don't think I... Oh, there's some fancy pants camp kitchen, don't I? Use the baking paper, please, yes. about 10:15. We just had a shower. Found I didn't need to spend $1. I could just have a cold shower, which worked quite well. And now we're going to have fish and chips for brunchy breakfasty. There you go. Barramundi and very expensive chips. Yeah. Found the big galah, but also it's getting very windy and very dusty and very dirty, so we're not going to hang around here. There he is. What do you want, a cracker? It's a bit big, isn't it? Halfway across Australia tourist gift shop. There you go. We're off. It's over halfway across. So we're off to Staria. In about 15 kilometres of a very nice great road, we're heading to Pildappa Rock. And I think we'll probably end up staying here. You can see it just in the distance. We've been here before, it's very nice. Pildappa Rock, entrance 400 metres on the right. There we go, welcome to Pildappa. Now there's the map, let's stop and look at the map. It's been a very, very windy day, so we're not going to stay on this side, and this is the day spa anyway. So we're going to go around up here. Or down that path, which makes a lot more sense maybe.
Your path is right.
So I need to go around here and then back onto the other road. Oh, big hole, big hole. Apparently we have 4G, so we're struggling with that as well. Anyway, so we're going to go down here and we're going to go around to the other side where it's more sheltered from the wind, because it has been very, very windy. Birds aren't very happy.
Yeah. Are you going down there? I think you should drive.
I'm not. I am driving.
Yeah.
So we just passed a nice little sheltered spot. There's some people here that have taken over. Looking a bit breezy. Maybe we should go back around and go to that first one.
We'll just wait. Just see it.
Look at it.
Yeah.
I feel like I can see it.
Coming just now.
Look at it. It's blowing a gale. Nice little picnic area. It's actually nice to walk around here. Might be a bit windy for going up there. You'll get blown off. To go back to the other place.
Check out the flies.
And check out the flies, because there's flies everywhere. But it is very nice here. But we're not staying. We're going to go back to the very first lot of rocks. And that way everybody gets to see the 2 lots of rocks. Well, we made it to Tcharkuldu Rock, which is where we first stopped and drove around. We're going to see if there's any less flies here than at the other place. You never know. Well, we've stopped here. It's not, we've got a bit of shelter from the wind and it's not so flying, so that's good. And there's some interesting rock formations which I don't think I'll be climbing up today. So we'll see how the evening progresses. I think champagne and crisps are in order. So the flies are pretty crap, but they're outside now. We've made a little tent with some stuff we bought at the Spotlight, and we've got this very expensive one here with a zip and magnets and stuff. We'll talk about that later.
Big hole up there.
There's a big hole up there, but you know, the odd fly that comes in you can shoo away, but we're not standing out there getting covered in them, which is what's normal. So now we're eating a sandwich. Turkish bread with ham and cheese.
Free bread.
Free bread from Bagger's Delight. So if you're ever passing by through wherever that place was, Port Pirie, there's free slices of bread.